taking our scrap away from us. Look at that, big old magnet. That's pretty cool. So we tore about Bob's, this is a boat ramp that he had in a boathouse, all iron, made back in the 60s. So that's some heavy material here. So it's a big old magnet. Hopefully it doesn't pick up the whole, look at that. That's pretty wild. Well, there goes the tailgate. Let me put it back down. That's Bob watching it. Lots of iron in there. This guy's good. Turn it on. There we go. Okay, lift her up. That's more better. Look at that. Oh, a couple of loose pieces there. Guess we'll have to come back and get those. What do we got left in there? Oh yeah, a couple more pieces in there. Hopefully it sounds like the rest of it. Yeah. Here comes most of it. Oh yeah. Look at that. Ta-da!